Don't fight there, bro. That's too fucking narrow. Come here. Come here. Come here on the roads, guys. On the roads. On the roads. Putang ina, pumupunta na naman sa choke.
Oh guys, go north, go north, go north,
Don't go there, guys. Don't go there. Don't looking on their
I
block.
cannot
They're
see you.
dismounted.
I cannot see you, sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Go
The
around
choke,
northeast. Go
that's
around
the
northeast.
choke.
They're playing
Northeast.
choke. Don't look. Diyos mio, Marimar.
Just
Lead the...
out.
So one get chopped.
Okay. Wait na yan. Wait for them
Just
to get
call
there.
bang. Go to
Wait for him.
Bang.
Wait for them to come here.
Sini.
This one.
Not
Oh,
east,
it's here
not
na.
east,
It's here na.
No, just put check. Yo, my brawler, come. They're not fucking moving, cho. They're too scared, cho. Yeah, they're playing on the choke again. Yeah, as expected. Can you cap Sizarus? Can you cap? Let's go P3. Let's go P3. Just food check and go to P3. No OC. Don't OC.
OP3 or 2?
OP3. Why are you capping OP2? They're so near, bro. OP3. Fast. They're picking their position very carefully. You have to remember that, guys. They're playing choke. Don't looking. They're dismounted. You get caught, you're dead. They have, I think, 3 rift glaives for bomb squad. Putang ina, sumusunod. Can you dismount here? Dismount now. Can you walk with me? Walk with me. Come. I'm gonna catch ya. Dismount now. Nice. Come. Force fight. Okay. Come back. That's nice. It's open world. We have the advantage. Fucker. Okay, come back. Southeast. Do you have one hand mace? Sizarus?
Guys, yeah. I have 10, no. Only heavy mace.
You don't have.
Follow the shield. I can follow the shield.
Okay,
Mo
it's
join
okay.
party breaker.
Just hold here.
We're just under car?
Ang dami kasing ano. Yo, divisive on the front. Okay, we're gonna counter engage in 5, 4, 3. Oh, kambak. Putang ina, yun yung sinasabi ko. Ano, ganda. Kambak. Heal na pa isa ka. Kambak. No, don't engage. They have kite.
We're just under car, right?
Yeah. Wait, I'm gonna change. I'm gonna go Incubus with what do you call this? Okay. Just be ready, guys. Pop your defensive if you need to. Okay, look at the shield, guys. Look at the shield.
Pirmati satu mo ko.
Careful ya, they're
They're looking. Okay, they're looking now in 5, 4. Here's on the front in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on this guys.
Itu kejauhan gue ya.
Full push now. Kill the caller. She's the caller. Full push, boys. Full push. Okay, come back. No. Come back. Good shit, boys. Good shit. We're just gonna play counter engage, okay? Counter engage. You need to holy beam me. I almost died there.
Healer,
You need to
focus
holy beam me.
the...
Look at me. Look at the shield.
Shield crown. Shield. Healing the shield. The shield
They
is
have cooldowns. It's okay. They're playing. Can my brawl weapons mount up? If your brawl can you mount up and go to their backline? They're looking. Start moving, my brawl. Can you go to their backline? We're gonna engage. Yo, come. Walk in with me. Brawl weapons, come, in the backline in 5, 4. Oh my God. Just walk in. Pop your Giga Pass and walk in. Guys. My depth tanks hold them. Just full push, boys. Full push. Okay, may brawl weapons. Mount up again, mount up again, mount up again. We're pressuring them now, we're pressuring them now. Okay. May brawl weapons, mount up again, my brawl weapons. Mount up.
Careful,
Mount up. It's okay. Gonna engage on the choke. They already know. Yo, my brawl weapons, go to their back line. They're engaging. Okay, divisive now. Counter engage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the ground, boys. On the shield. Full push now. No fear, boys. No fear. Di ka kasi walk in now. Walk in. My brawl. Heal my brawlers now. Full push, boys. Full push. I'm gonna mount up. I'm gonna go there. They're gonna engage again now. Divisive now. Nice. We're gonna engage. Look at the shield. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fucking. God. Go brawl. They don't have defensive. Nice one. On the choke, boys. On the choke. Gonna stun them, man. Kill this arm. Finish choke.
Yo guys, bro, flag, go.
Flag.
Okay, heal my brawlers, please. Heal my brawlers. It's okay. Heal my brawlers. I'm gonna mount up again. My brawlers mount up. Let's do the same shit again on their back line. They're looking again. Why did you die? Don't make. Yara, why did you guys die?
Hey, this is so easy. Hey,
Okay, come. Come. My brawl. Come with me. Come with my brawl. We're gonna engage. Southeast now. Southeast.
sini down. Begal, sini down.
Oh, they already demon. On the fucking choke. Wait. Hold. They're using their defensive. Hold for now. Nice. Fucking blazing. Okay. In 5,
Brawel, follow me. Hello.
3,
Give me.
1. Kill this fucking healer. Defensive now. Oh my god.
Brawel up the hill.
Walking my brawl here. Walking my brawl.
I'm waiting.
Guys, forget ka pa. Don't forget yung fucking healer.
Ay, segini dong.
Gonna mount up again. Putang ina, kailangan kong magano dito.
Itu kill. Aduh, mana di PS kalian? Aduh, sakit banget. Kasih gue
Because they're getting. Where's my brawl? Dismount now. Yo. Dismount. Come. Look at the